Farmers markets not only allow people to eat healthier and support their local businesses and farmers, but they also help to create a more tight-knit community. The farmers market held in Lancaster, California, creates a positive environment for community members to gather to purchase locally grown produce, homemade sauces and pasta, local honey, and a variety of other healthy goods. Angela Riley, the recreation supervisor for the city of Lancaster, thinks the farmers market helps bring the community together and provides a space for people to convene, but also helps residents focus on the historical past of the city. Riley says, Lancaster was an agricultural community. We're kind of getting back to those roots by having the farmers markets on a weekly basis. In addition to that, the downtown has always been a happening spot, and by having it here, we are helping Lancaster return to its roots as well. The Lancaster's Farmers Market is held every Thursday afternoon, year-round, and hosts around 25 vendors during the summer months.